What's up guys, Gevirtz here, and today we are going to be talking about what to expect when you go freelance. I just finished my first full year of freelancing and it was amazing. It sucked. It was awesome. The best experience of my life. Absolutely terrible. All packed into the same year, and it was just so difficult to explain. But all in all, it was awesome. So let's get into a few things that I wish I knew what to expect out of being freelancing, maybe some tips along the way. Hopefully this video gives you some insight of what to expect before you chase your freelancing dreams, if that's something that you're interested in getting into. So let's get into it. The first thing I have on my list is that every day kind of feels somewhat the same. You no longer worry about the weekend, you no longer worry about what day it is, because every day is just like completely different and no day is a day off. And you honestly start to grow to hate the weekends and enjoy the weekdays more, because on the weekends, like, everyone's off and everything's crowded. Like, the stores and everything are crowded, but during the week, like, you can just go during the workday and it's awesome because there's no crowds, and I hate crowds. Next thing that kind of feeds off the other one is that you should expect to probably work all day, every day. Every single day I'm doing something for work. You will 100% work more than you've ever worked in your life, but at the end of the day, it's awesome. Like, I wake up in the morning, I take my dog out for a walk, I work, I take my dog out, I work, I take my dog out, I work out, I come home, eat, and I work until I go to sleep. It's all something that I really enjoy doing, and I'm freelancing in a career that I absolutely love, and it doesn't really feel like work. I just feel like I'm doing what I was meant to be doing, so that's cool. The next thing, something that really scares people when going to freelance is taxes. Taxes are shitty. They take your money, but the coolest thing is that it's not actually as hard as you think it's going to be if you stay organized. So right off the bat, you need to stay organized in everything you do with your money. A tip that I can give you: have a separate card for all business expenses, and every single time you make a purchase that is somewhat related to your business, which is probably going to be very often, put it on that card so you don't even need to keep track of your expenses. You can just go into your statements on that card and everything is right there. So when you go to file your expense report and write off business purchases on your taxes, everything is right there, all organized for you. It's also just like not that hard. Get like TurboTax or hire an accountant for like $300. It's not a huge deal. One thing that sucks big time about freelancing is that healthcare is extremely expensive, and you don't have another company to pay for your half or full of your healthcare because you don't get benefits because you don't have an employer. So I think I pay like $370 a month for health insurance, and it sucks. Another thing that you should know is that when you're a freelancer, you are a business and your business is you. So everything you post on social media, everything you do out in public is representation of who your business is. Even your personal relationships represent what your business is. So you have to be 100% all the time. What else? You spend a lot of time alone. That's something that you're okay with. Awesome. It's something that I'm totally fine with. I feel like I've spent a lot of time alone, a lot, like throughout my life, and I kind of preferred it. You don't get up and go to work every day and see all your fellow coworkers all day. Most days, like if I'm not out in the field, which is only like 2 days a week, I'd say I'm out shooting. Most of the days I'm in my apartment, either editing or doing stuff for my business. So in that case, I don't really see anyone other than my dog, sometimes some neighbors, but sometimes I'll go to Wawa and just say hello to the cashier. But I'm fine with it. If you don't like being alone, this might be a little tough for you, but I guess there's like things you can do. You could work at like a shared space or something. I don't know. Routine is incredibly important. Like I said, you work all day, every day. And if you don't have a routine in place for at least like chunks of time throughout the day for you to get work done, you're never gonna get anything done because there's no one to really tell you to get something done. If you don't have client work to do and you don't have like a client deadline, it's so easy to just like act like you can sit back and relax, but no, that's not the case at all. You need to be constantly building your portfolio or managing your money, managing your bills. You need to be constantly learning when you're not working. You are your business. You need to grow. You need to get better at what you do. So you need to take chunks out of your time when you're not working on client work, when you're not doing stuff like that, to work on passion projects and take risk and do things that will push you to get better and push you to go out and learn specific things. Sit on YouTube, learn some stuff, go talk with other DPs, go talk with other directors, other editors, and see what they're doing, see what you can learn from those people. I think that's all I can really think of right now. But honestly, like, I will never, ever not freelance for the rest of my life because it's awesome. And if you are planning to trying to get into it, do whatever you can. Take risks. It is totally worth it. You will work harder, be more productive, do better work than you've ever done in your entire life because you're working for you, you're creating for you, you're making money for you, and it is an awesome, great experience. I recommend it highly. All right, so if you have any questions about your freelancing career, just send them my way in the comments below and I'll try and answer your questions, or send me an email, dangevirtz@gmail.com. That's it for today. I'm banging a lot of these out right now, so you might see this shirt a few times. So, till next time, guys. See you later.
No.